Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show y'all how to make a contact sheet with these negatives and a pack of photo paper. Part 1. Setup. Turn the timer by the chemicals on, set the enlarger height to 10, turn the water wash on, and set the enlarger's aperture to 5.6 with no filter. Part 2. Making the contact sheet. What I like to do here is set the timer to a very high time so that I can see the light more. Now, with the black side of the mat board, set it on the light as a marker of where the light will shine down. Next, take the photo paper and put it on the board. Then, put the negatives on the photo paper. Finally, take the glass and put it on top of the layer to hold everything down. Now that we have the layered stack, set the enlarger's timer to 15 seconds and press the spacebar when ready. Finally, wait till the light turns off. Now that the light is off, start removing the stack so that we can get to Part 3. Developing. So there are 4 parts to the development process, where the names of the chemicals themselves are explanatory in their function. The first one, from right to left, is the developer, stop bath, fixer, and water wash. First, look at the chemical timer and keep track of time. Put the sheet in the developer for 2.5 minutes and agitate. Next, pick up the sheet with tongs. Let it drip for a few seconds and put it in the stop bath for 30 seconds. Repeat the last step and put it in the fixer for 2 minutes. Repeat the last 2 steps and put it in the water wash for 5 minutes. While the water wash is going, walk over to the rotating compartment and grab a red tray. Put the finished contact sheet in the red tray and walk the tray over to the rotating compartment. And there is your finished contact sheet. Note to the audience, there is the entire process of leaving the dark room and drawing contact sheets, pictures, and test strips. But I will go over that in the next few videos. Thank you everyone for watching. If you loved this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications by hitting that bell. Thank you and have a nice day.